Now let us solve question number 1 of exercise 2.4 class 10 NCERT. Question is, verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomials below are their zeros. Also verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of in each case. This is your polynomial and this is the zeros. You have to verify that this is 0. This number is the zeros of the zeros. Then how will you find? If you put the values in at the place of variables, if it is equal to 0, then this is zeros of the polynomials. So let us start. Let us compare. Comparing the given polynomials with ax cube, because it has 3 power, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, we get a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1, c is equal to -5 and d is equal to 2. So let us check whether this one is zeros of the polynomials or not. So p is equal to, suppose this equation is p and 1 by 2, that is, this is the equation 2x at the place of a is equal to 2x cube, then plus 1 by 2 at the place of x we will put 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 x cube, and then 1 by 2 x square, then afterwards -5, 1 by 2 and then 2. If you write in this way, then it will be 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. Then it is equal to 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8. Then 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. And if we add it, what you will get? 4, 1 plus 1 minus 10 plus 8. Then it is equal to 0. 0 divided by 4 and 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. That means this one is 1 by 2 is the zeros of this polynomial. So let us check that 1 is the zeros of the polynomials or not. Then write here p1 and put the value of x is equal to 1. Then a this is 2x cube. Then write here 2 x cube is x is 1, then 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. Then this is 1 cube, 1. If power is 1 to the power any number is 1, 1 then it is equal to 1, and 1 minus 5 plus 2. Then 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 0. This is also the zeros of the polynomials. So let us check that -2 is zeros of the polynomials or not. So write here p minus 2. Then 2 into -2 ka whole cube plus -2 whole square minus 5 into -2 plus 2. So -2 whole cube is equal to -8. and minus 2 whole square is equal to 4, and minus into minus is plus 10 plus 2. Then 8 to the 16 minus 16 and plus 4 to 6, 16. Then it is equal to 0. This is also the zeros of the polynomials. Therefore 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2 are the zeros of zeros of 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. So alpha is equal to one of these are the zeros. So alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and beta is equal to 1 and gamma is equal to 2. Therefore we can find the sum. Therefore alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 2. That is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4. That is 7 by, this is 2 is equal to minus 2, not 2. 2 is equal, gamma is equal to minus 2. So it will be minus sign, minus. It is minus. So 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Then it is equal to minus 1 by 2. And if we see this equation, 3x square, 2x square plus x square minus b, that is equal to, and alpha, we know that this is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, minus b by a, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, and minus b by a minus b is minus 1 and a is 2. So it's verified. It's verified. Now let us take alpha into beta. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to alpha beta. Alpha is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and beta is 1 plus beta is 1 and gamma is minus 2 plus gamma is minus 2 and alpha is 1 by 2. So if we multiply it, we will get 1 by 2 minus 2 and minus 1. So it will be 1 by 2 minus 3. Then it will be equal to 2, 1 minus 6. That is minus 5 by 2. And alpha into beta into gamma, we know by the formula that C by A, then C by A, this is equal to C by A, and C is minus 5, C is minus 5 and A is 2, so it's verified. And then alpha into beta into gamma is, alpha into beta into gamma is, alpha is 1 by 2, beta is 1 and gamma is minus 2, as we have already find out. Then multiplied it, this 2 to cancel, only minus 1 is left, minus 1, and we know that this is equal to, if we write it in this way, the minus d by a, this is equal to minus d by minus d by a, and d is equal to, here d is equal to, see, d is equal to 2 and a is equal to 2. So if we write the value here, d is equal to 2, then you can write here minus, if you multiply 2 into 2, you will get minus 2 by 2. So we are getting that minus d by a, verified.